traders, how have you been? For me, I'm really fine, and I'm here to really share with you important things only about forex trading. For those who are new, you're highly welcome in this channel, and I am Art of Forex, and this channel is particularly to teach you much more about forex theory, and also forex practical. Here I am with brand new content. In case you like me, subscribe, like, and share. And also, in case you like my content, please also subscribe, like, and share to your friends so that they can also learn with us. Today we shall be talking about gold, the advantages and disadvantages, or the merits and demerits of trading gold. So many traders like to trade gold. Why? Because they say that it is very volatile and makes them money. Yeah, of course, gold does that, but you should go in there with your available skills, and also you should know the advantages and the disadvantages of trading gold as a metal itself. Otherwise, you'll be cooked in the market if you don't know the bad and the good part of it or side of it. For me, my first time to trade gold was so bad. It really went bad against me. The reason why it went bad against me was just I had a small capital, and I found out that all my capital were gone. Only a small retracement like this wiped out my account without even my stop loss being hit. Yeah, so that is just a small portion or a small part of it, but let us dive in and we see more into detail. Trading gold can be exciting and profitable. Just like any other financial instruments, it comes with pros and cons. And those pros and cons are exactly what I will teach you about right now. Let us first start with the advantages of it, or its pros. Hedging against inflation and currency risk. Gold is actually considered as a safe haven asset. Why? Because its price rises when currency pairs are weakening. Remember, gold is not a currency, okay? It is a metal. So when currencies are weakening, gold is always a rising, or inflation spikes. When the things are happening in forex pairs, for gold it is really doing wonders and doing so well for you to milk some money out of it. The second one, gold also has a very high liquidity. That's why most traders love it so much. It is traded 24/7 on commodities market, ETFs, and forex pairs. It's also easy to sell it quickly without affecting the market price. And then the third one, we have diversification. Here it adds balance to portfolio. Its price always move differently from stocks and bond, reducing overall risk. When the risks are reduced, it means that you can easily make some profits out of it. And then the fourth one, we have leverage opportunities. Brokers always allows trading gold with leverages or with leverage, meaning that smaller capital can be controlled with larger positions. Isn't it exciting? This can amplify profits, vice versa. With leverage, you can make big money out of small money only when you are right, but also you can lose it as well, just vice versa. As you can make big money out of small money, you can also lose it so fast. Although you have large account, you can still lose it very quickly. That is only in case you have leveraged it. So you should be aware of this. You should know the advantages and disadvantages of leveraging, of which also when you're trading gold, brokers can allow you to use leverage. When you're using leverage, you should use it smartly and wisely to maximize on your profits. Number 5 one, we have technical analysis friendly. So what do I mean here? Gold chart price always respond well to technical indicators. When you're on TradingView or any other trading charts, you can easily use indicators when you're trading gold, and it aligns in well. When analyzing gold, many traders normally spot trends and reversal effectively, making them to really make a lot of money out of gold. That's why most traders like to trade gold. You can only trade gold effectively when you have high capital and also know exactly what I'm telling you right now in this content. And that's why I said that if you like it, subscribe and then you share with your friends, because this content can help someone out there to really make profits out of gold. And then number 6 one, we have global demand drivers: jewelry, central banks, ETFs, and industrial use given gold. Instincts demand support. That is it for the advantages of trading gold. So let us now flip in and then we see the disadvantages of trading gold. Now these are the bad side of trading gold. You should be much aware about this so that you can avoid these mistakes and you make money in gold. Subscribe, like, and share. I know that this content is helpful as a trader. The volatility that we always like, it's also of a disadvantage if you misuse it. Why? Gold price can swing sharply within a short period of time. It can either swing to your stop loss or to your take profit. Sometimes it can kick you out of the market even without hitting your SL. That can only happen when you have smaller capital, and also probably when you're trading in a wrong session. As we talk about leverage, high leverage in gold can amplify your losses very quickly. When you are taking leverage, take it in a small amount. Secondly, no passive income. Unlike stock or bond, gold does not pay dividend or interest. Profit from gold purely comes from price changes. When the price changes, you can make profit according to your proper analysis and trading skill. Therefore, there is no passive income in gold. We have leverage risk. Many times I've talked about leverage in this content. This indicates that you should be really careful with leverage. While leverage can increase gains, it can wipe out your account so fast if trade goes against you. The fourth one, we have external price influences. Gold is affected by USD, as we all know that. Interest rate, geopolitical tensions, central bank policies, all these are things that can affect gold, leading to external market influences. Sometimes gold moves unpredictably due to global micro events such as news and many more. Number 5 one, we have cost of trading. What do I mean here? When you're trading, there are spreads, commissions, or storage for physical gold. The last one, we have emotional stress. Emotional stress is everywhere in Forex trading. When you are a Forex trader, I'm sure you are familiar with stress. Here, high volatility and news can trigger impulsive trading decisions. When you are in the market trading, in case you are stressed because of some other reasons, you should be able to leave the chat and go do other things. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.